Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for checking in. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete a video on Facebook. It could be a video you've posted or videos you've watched. So make sure to watch to the end and don't make mistakes. First, you open your Facebook app on your device. Once the app is opened, you tap on the menu bar at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. In the menu, tap on Settings. Then you scroll down and locate your activity. Then you tap on Activity Log. So, you tap on your Facebook activity. Then you tap on Posts. In the pop-up options, tap on your posts, photos or videos. When it's loaded, you tap on the Filters tab at the top left corner of the screen under the Archive button. Then click on Categories. Here you can choose the categories you want to delete, but since we are working on video, you can choose either your posts, videos, or photos to delete your video, or you tap on videos you've watched or live videos you've watched. So here are a list of videos you've watched. You scroll down to locate the video you want to delete. Then tap on the three dots beside the video. Then you tap on the delete button. That's it. You have successfully deleted a video on Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video tips. See you in the next video.